In this video, I'm going to show you how to make me talk. Keep watching to find out how.
On this YouTube channel, I make coding tutorial videos just like this one. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing to help the channel out. In order to enable the text-to-speech functionality in Scratch, you're going to have to enable the extension text-to-speech. So if you go over to the bottom left of your Scratch project and click on Extensions or Add Extensions, you can then choose text-to-speech to make your projects talk. Now you'll notice that there's a new block palette along the left side named text-to-speech. And we've just enabled some new functionality in Scratch with this extension. There are 3 blocks in the text-to-speech palette: the speak block, the set voice to block, and the set language to block. Each of them should be pretty self-explanatory, and I encourage you to try out different settings so that you can get the voice that you want for your sprites. So let's say I want Scratch to say hello, and then I want him to say my name is Scratch, and then maybe he'll ask, what's your name? So if I use the when green flag is clicked, I can now run this script by clicking on the green flag.
Hello, my name is Scratch. What's your name?
But if you notice in my intro video, Scratch was also saying it using the say blocks. So you might think that if we just add the say blocks in between, that we'll be able to have the character speak and see it at the same time. But when I run this,
Hello, my name is Scratch. What's your name?
you'll notice that the text isn't appearing at the same time as the cat is speaking it. So the solution to this is to actually bring in another when green flag is clicked block and have both of these running at the same exact time. So if I go into event and I bring in the when green flag is clicked, I can actually do this, and this is valid code. Now the timing might be a little bit off, but I'll just have to modify how many seconds the sprite should say each line.
Hello, my name is Scratch. What's your name?
So you'll notice that he said it a little bit too quickly. So maybe he'll say hello for 0.8 seconds. My name is Scratch for 1.6. And what's your name for 1.6? Let's see if that's a little bit closer.
Hello, my name is Scratch. What's your name?
That's pretty close. But if you want to add pauses, you could also add in the wait block. So you could put in, let's say, a half-second pause or 0.5 seconds after my name is Scratch. So make sure that you bring in a 0.5 second wait block after my name is Scratch.
Hello, my name is Scratch. What's your name?
So you can do that too if you want to change the flow of the conversation. Having 2 or more scripts running at the same time is known as concurrency. This allows you to do more than one thing simultaneously. And you'll notice that both scripts are running at the same time because they're both highlighted yellow when I click on the green flag. And there you have it. Now you know how to include text-to-speech in your Scratch projects. If you found this video to be helpful, I'd appreciate it if you hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you next time.